Hi, I'm Paulo, and why shouldn't you work when you're stressed? Before I answer that, intro. What's up, you guys? So, stress. Why you shouldn't work when you're stressed? What happens is your blood pressure goes up. When the blood pressure goes up, you get to think of a lot of things that's not related to what you're doing because it comes with anger. The things you're thinking, it comes with anger, hatred, because you're already upset on what you're doing. That's why you're stressed. Okay, you get pressured for what you're doing. So what you have to do is do something that you love, all right, that you enjoy doing. Because come to think of it, what happens is when you get stressed on a certain scenario or something that you're doing, so you get pissed, you get upset, you just push yourself to your limits without thinking or organizing or doing things in an organized way. Okay? So what I recommend, well, what I want you to do is do something that you love. Because, again, if that continues to happen on a later part of the day, it will also affect other people. That's why some people, what happens is when they're stressed in the morning, the people they talk to during the later part of the day, in the afternoon, they get affected sometimes because you get cranky, all right? So you gotta do something that you love. I mean, if you're stressed, have a break. Do something about it. I mean, if you're at work, what's a quick break? Probably drink water, breathe it out. All right. Let me share something that what I do when I'm stressed. Okay. So let's go to this is my Facebook page. So on here, this one. So because there was a post on on one of the Facebook groups. All right, it's a group of freelancers. Somebody posted that what they do when they're stressed is they draw something for their kid. Okay, so the moral is do something that you love. Something, I mean, out of the stress you're experiencing or you're having, turn it into a positive outcome. For example, that growing for her kid, all right? In spite of the stress she's having, so she did something that she loves, she drew something for her kid, it resulted to a positive outcome because it makes her kid happy, okay? So it would be awesome if you can turn that stress, which is negative, into positive, something that's beneficial to other people. Okay, but this one is beneficial for me, of course. But I made this beneficial for other people, which I'll show you how I did it. So this is a game I play called Helix Jump. You can download it on the App Store. It's completely free. For Android users, I'm not sure if it's the same. If the game rather has the same name. Please comment below if it does or if it has a different name. No. So this is my score. So what I did was, out of this game, because this is a game that I play when I have nothing to do or when I'm stressed. Alright. So, and I haven't played this game for quite some time. My score is at 4 million. There's no more competition to it. Everybody whom I was competing with stopped playing when I got to 4 million. Until just yesterday, I saw somebody reach 4 million and then got 5 million after a few minutes. So that triggered me to play the game again. So what I did was I told that person to, okay, I'll play the game again, and if I beat you, I'll just send you the picture. I'll just send you a screenshot of it. So I sent her this screenshot. So now I have a reason to play the game again, and which I told her also that, okay, here's my score today. Give me a reason to play this game again. All right. Now, since I mean, in terms of putting it into, I mean, stress, negative. So doing something you love and turning it into something positive that's you wherein, which can contribute to people who may be stressed or has nothing to do. Okay. So what I did was, so again, this is my Facebook page. Link below. All right, on the description. If you wanna join, okay. So what I did was I posted this: $10 to your PayPal account when you beat my score on Helix Jump. Condition is no using of second chance or continue, because if you die on the game or lose the game, okay, there's it will show their second chance, okay. But the thing is, I have a way of knowing if somebody used the second chance or continue the game in spite of them dying during the game, okay. So I posted this on my Facebook page, so people messaged me about it if I was serious about it. So I said yes, and yeah, so this is ongoing right now. So again, if you guys want to join in, I mean, if you're stressed, you got nothing. If you're stressed, thinking of what to do, to play this game. I mean, $10 to your PayPal account. I'm serious about this, so it's gonna be, you have nothing to lose. From there, I mean, from there you'll be able to uh, put out that stress. That's one. Two is, well, if you beat my score, which is this, you'll get $10 to your PayPal account. All you have to do is message me on my Facebook page. All right. So yeah, again, I hope this helps people in some way, especially in terms of because me as an entrepreneur, if I have a virtual assistant, well, I have a virtual assistant, but I mean, if I have an employee, all right, who's stressed at work, that's not good, okay, because it affects the productivity of the business in any way. It will, all right, in any way it will. Though with my VAs, I'm very open to them, so they can talk to me about anything. But yeah, again, never work when you're stressed. Gotta do something about it. Either you just drink water for it or walk it off. And I mean, to your bosses, just ask permission. I don't see any reason why they shouldn't, or they shouldn't give you, why they shouldn't understand, because especially bosses or the superiors or everybody in management, for sure they understand stress. Stress runs in that, is a daily thing for that position. I mean, to those in the supervisory positions. All right. So yeah, that's I mean, this is just a quick video. I hope it helps you and other people have a better day at work, or if you're doing business, or whatever you're doing. Besides, Helix is a fun game. Okay, it's a time killer. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Watch out for the next one. I'll see you guys. Let's go.